I've cleaned my stencil from the airbrushing, and I've also put another piece of press and seal right across the words is in the, because now we're going to stencil with our royal icing. Just want to get that stencil lined back up again, and I'm going to prep my icing scraper. This piping icing is a little bit on the stiff side. We really want this icing to hold its shape as we slide the scraper across the stencil. And I love doing two different stencil techniques because I think the airbrush looks nice and precise, but I think when you stencil with the royal icing, it just looks a little bit more dimensional and also appetizing. So instead of running my scraper across all of the words, I really want to avoid any oozing into the middle words. So we're just going to run our scraper up. I'm just holding it in place with an anchor finger. And I want to make sure that the icing gets into all areas of the stencil, and then I just remove the excess. I find the cleaner I keep my stencil, the more I can reuse it. I can probably stencil 12 cookies before I have to go clean. And then I'm just going to scrape the icing down. And we'll pull back that stencil, and we have this beautiful two-tone font, which is lots of fun.